got some more images of the Z Tri-Foldable phone. Samsung's Tri-Foldable phone. It will be coming out sometime soon to the United States market and international. I know it's crazy to say that because normally they do a limited release of these special foldable phones in South Korea and China, but this time it's coming to America. And we got some more images and videos of this bad boy. And people aren't really happy because $3,000 and look at those bezels. It's a first gen product, okay? It's a first gen product. There's going to be bezels. There's going to be things that aren't really the greatest, and there's going to be problems and errors and issues, and we're going to be talking about it for a very, very long time over the first lifespan of this cell phone. I wouldn't recommend buying a tri-foldable cell phone, especially not a first-gen one, because not only is it $3,000, you're also going to have to deal with the early experiences of buying a first-gen cell phone. So it's not surprising at all that it has bezels, but obviously there are some people who just look at this and say, I thought there would be zero bezels, but no, there's going to be bezels. It's still a very beautiful cell phone, and what they were able to do is truly amazing. So shout out to Samsung for that. I know obviously Huawei did their foldable cell phone. I think they're coming out with another tri-foldable cell phone as well. So we're going to get that sometime soon. But the more images and videos I see of this, the more excited I am just for the future of actually having a beautiful looking cell phone, right? A beautiful tri-fold looking cell phone. Even if I'm never going to get it, and I probably would guess that most people watching this video are never going to get it, at least, it's a thing that's going to push the envelope, push the tech industry in the correct direction that we want to see it go, which is innovation is always key, and a lot of times it ends up just being, a stalemate when it comes to new tech. So those bezels are so freaking big. I'm just realizing now, I'm just looking at this like for the first time now, and I'm like, yeah, those bezels are big, but again, it's kind of how the cookie crumbles, man. And 5 years from now, we'll be talking about tri-foldable phones with little to zero bezels. And maybe at that point, they really start to grow one more people, but I think that $3,000 price tag is the biggest issue. And I know, yes, they might bring it down to $2,500. And I'm talking about tri-foldable phones in general, by the way. I'm not talking about this tri-foldable phone. It's a hard sell. It's a hard sell no matter what. But tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one.